It's the perfect way to get to know me, the heart behind Happy Place Creations by Connie. Just to give you a little background on me, I don't want to limit myself to just resin. I have a diverse creative background that includes party planning, sewing, clay work, Cricut projects, and various fixer-upper DIYs. My plan is to bring all of these passions to my channel, from resin creations to sewing projects, crafting tutorials, Cricut designs, clay art, and general creative content. I love exploring different mediums and techniques, so you never know what I might share next. What would you like to see next? I'd love to hear what types of creative content you're most interested in. As someone still growing in this space, your input and suggestions are absolutely welcomed and valued. Are you curious about resin techniques and projects, sewing tutorials, clay crafting, Cricut designs and tips, DIY home projects, party planning ideas, something else entirely? Shopping hauls? Drop your ideas in the comments below. Your feedback not only shapes future content, but helps me improve and better serve this wonderful community. Any tips or advice on growing a creative channel are also deeply appreciated. I'm learning something new every day and would love to hear from those with more experience. Remember to turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. I post new videos every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.